London, to share some of the exciting developments that have happened in the project over the last couple of years since the project started. We're about halfway, and to try and engage with as many people from as many different backgrounds as we are able to in London, East London, UK, and internationally. So that's just the meeting is officially open, and you're welcomed. First to say is there's a hashtag #Ceeds-big-data. Okay, so if you are tweeting about what anyone says, please use that hashtag. Secondly, I'm going to ask this question towards the end of my talk again, but just as a quick show, we want to know the split between academia and industry here. So can I have a show of hands if you're academic oriented in your background? Okay. And then if you're industry oriented in your background? Okay, so a good mix, great. In which case, whatever you said there, you're still very welcome. Okay, so the theme today is making sense of big data. The key difference in the approach that we're using in the Seeds project and from the speakers you're going to hear today is that we're using a human as the sensor in the analysis machine. Before I tell you about the Seeds project, I want to just run through the agenda for the day. So we've had a brief welcome intro from me. I'm shortly, as the coordinator of the Seeds project, going to introduce you to the Seeds project itself, which stands for the Collective Experience of Empathic Data Systems. I'm going to kind of give the top level description of it. Then you're going to hear from Professor Paul Bashaw from the University of Pontevedra in Barcelona, who is the scientific director of the project, who's going to give you some of the science behind what we're actually doing. There's going to be a lunch session for everyone to grab a sandwich, I think, and then in the afternoon we've got our invited speakers, who include Paul Lukovic, Stephen Fairclough, Matt Kohler, and Roy Don, and we'll introduce each of them individually when they speak. At the end of that, we're going to have what we've dubbed a flash panel, and the idea behind that is that you've all got cards that you can give in your registration packs where anything you hear that inspires you or generates a question in your mind, we'd like you to write that down and put it in the paste box at the back made of coffee cups. And then we're going to invite anyone who is very keen to or thinks they have something compelling to offer on to come and see us as the organising team. That's me, Eva, Andrea,